In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Play Store on a Meizu phone, even if it's having a Chinese ROM. Let's get started. Before we get started, here's a bonus for you. On China ROM, you can uninstall any bloatware just like this. Let's get right to the business. To install Play Store on China ROM, open App Store from your Meizu device. Search for Google, open the second application you see and install that.
Jack it up.
After installing the application, open it and just tap install at the bottom. It will download 3 apps now. Once the downloads are complete, it will ask you to reboot the device. Tap reboot now and your phone will get restarted. And that's it. Just open the app you downloaded from App Store and click Open Play Store. Give the permission it once and agree with the terms and conditions. Now sign in with your Gmail account and password and you have your Play Store working absolutely fine. It will take a couple of seconds to appear the Play Store icon on your home screen, but that's never a big deal.
Jack it up.
So that's it for now guys. Please do hit the thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more stuff coming soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope to see you around.